Today, we are going to learn how to find the numerator and denominator using equivalent fractions. As we recall, in a fraction such as 2 over 7, the numerator is the number on the top, which is 2, and the denominator is the number on the bottom, which is 7. Let's look at the first example. Find the denominator in the second fraction if 2 over 8 is equivalent to 14 over something. We can see that the numerator in the first fraction has been multiplied by 7 to become 14, which is the numerator in the second fraction. To remain equivalent, we also have to multiply the denominator by 7, which means 8 multiplied by 7, giving us 56, which is the denominator in the second fraction. So, 2 over 8 is equivalent to 14 over 56. Let's look at the second example. Find the numerator in the second fraction if 7 over 9 is equivalent to something over 36. We can see that the denominator in the first fraction has been multiplied by 4 to become 36, which is the denominator in the second fraction. To remain equivalent, we also have to multiply the first numerator by 4, which means 7 multiplied by 4, giving us 28, which is the numerator in the second fraction. So, 7 over 9 is equivalent to 28 over 36. Now it's your turn.